Oh, Rick Crazy Rock and Rick Crazy math teacher today. Today we're going to always wonder what happens. Can you microwave unpopped kernels? Let's find out. So we're going to leave them in there. Rinse up the bag maybe a little bit. Throw it in. Does it start on fire or do we get popcorn? I think if we don't get it to pop within a minute, we got troubles. All right, we're at about maybe 70% of the students in my classroom feel that we are going to get a popped kernel. We're already at, I don't know. We'll see. Or does the bag start on fire? We're getting a lot of time now. We reset the timer. I heard one. Yes, wait. I heard a pop. Did you guys hear it? Let's check it out. Ooh, I smell burn too, though. Oh my gosh. I did not know that. Look at that. All that time I've been throwing seeds away. Holy crap. Check it out. They're all popped. That's amazing. Remember, hit like and subscribe.